Top 5 Highest Oxygen-Producing Indoor Plants for Your House. Dear friends, indoor oxygen-producing plants can play a big role in keeping the air around us clean and make us feel healthy. Indoor plants can provide numerous benefits to your home and offices by not only providing oxygen but also adding a touch of nature to your space. Let's know more about them. Eureka Palms. Apart from being a wonderful humidifier, the Eureka Palm also generates more oxygen than other indoor plants. The Eureka Palm stands out for its capacity to keep the air pure while removing hazardous substances from the environment. According to NASA, this plant is really one of the greatest air-purifying plants discovered till now. Keep the plant near a curtained window or a place with dim sunlight to get the maximum benefits. Spider plant. The spider plant is one of the simplest indoor plants to grow. Apart from being an excellent indoor plant for producing the highest levels of oxygen, it is well recognized for its ability to promote happiness and manage levels of stress and anxiety. Snake plant. The snake plant, also known as the mother-in-law's tongue, is renowned for its nighttime oxygen generation and its capacity to filter the air by removing benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, and toluene. Not only does this come under the category of the highest oxygen-producing plant, but is also considered the fastest oxygen-generating indoor plant. Money plant. Highlighted by NASA, the money plant has effective air-purifying qualities that can remove chemicals and other air pollutants with ease. And similar to the snake plant, the money plant also produces oxygen even at night, thus making it one of the best plants to keep inside. Gerbera Daisy. Undoubtedly the prettiest plant on the list, the Gerbera Daisy is a flowering plant that contains more than just color and looks. It is one of the highest oxygen-producing indoor plants, which also shows its magic at night. This plant is just perfect to make your indoor settings look more colorful, attractive and wholesome. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.